Hi, it's Marco here from Vicmarc Machinery. Today I'd like to show you our latest product, the CBN Lathe Sharpening System. This product is inexpensive compared to a grinder, and once you've used it a few times, it's very fast, which makes it very handy to have. The CBN Lathe Sharpening System is made up of these parts that you see right here. Once you've set up the CBN Lathe Sharpening System as per the procedure, and you'd like to use it again, you basically just fasten the CBN wheel back onto the spindle. You will then take the system, the attachment, place it down on the lathe bed, turn the T-piece and tighten. Fasten the attachment directly beneath the center of the CBN wheel. Set up the CBN attachment. In this case, I'm using the Vicmarc sharpening jig to sharpen a bowl gouge. So you'll set your wheel up as per the manual, how it shows you. You know, if you're doing bowl gouges all the time, that'll be set and that won't need to be changed. Turn your lathe on, set the speed that you want the grind at. And there you have a perfectly ground tool. If you'd like to use the Vicmarc grinding rest, then you just simply remove this part from the sharpening jig, swap it over with the Vicmarc grinding rest base, adjust your heights to your tool and use it for just sharpening a scraper here. And you'll see it does just a perfect job. To remove, you'll simply, you can slide the rest out the way, undo the black star knob, undo it a few turns, turn the T-piece side on, remove. To remove the CBN wheel, just give it a pull. Make sure when you're undoing it you've got hold of it so you don't drop it on the floor. Take it off. Clean the bed down, make sure that you've got not too much steel. Put everything back together, put your chuck back on, your work back on, and away you go. The great thing about the Vicmarc CBN Lathe Sharpening System is that it can actually be mounted on most lathes. It's specifically designed for a VL200 to VL240 or VL300 lathe because of the square on the bottom and our sized bed gap, but with simple modifications it can fit on any model lathe that has a flat bed. Our CBN wheels come in 3 different grids. You'll need to use a 200mm wheel, and you can choose the grid that you like. You may already have a CBN wheel, as long as it has a 32mm bore, it will work on here too. If you're only interested in sharpening bowl gouges, you just purchase the Vicmarc sharpening jig. If you're only interested in using the rest, then you just purchase the rest set up and it can be used that way, or you can use both.